Friends, today's we will discuss about chemical thermodynamics. Under this section, nature of work, definition of work, pressure volume type of work, definition of heat, and sign conventions of heat and work. Firstly, nature of work. Now, the definition of work. In mechanics, the energy by which body is displaced through a distance d by the application of force is called work. Now, the pressure volume type work. Pressure volume type is always equal to work. The work is defined as the energy by which body is displaced through a distance d by the applying a force. Therefore, the work done or work W is equal to F into d, where F is force and d is displacement. In thermodynamics, pressure volume type work is involved. Therefore, the definition of pressure volume type work is like this. The work is done due to expansion or contraction of gas against external opposing force. Therefore, product of pressure and volume is equal to work. Therefore, PV is equal to F upon A into V, where P is pressure of gas, it is the force per unit area, P is equal to F upon A. If D is the distance, A is the area is equal to distance square, V is volume of gas is equal to distance cube, then above equation can be written as PV is equal to F upon D square into D cube. D2 and right side D2 from D cube gets cancelled. Therefore, PV is equal to F into D. I don't know that W is equal to F into D. Therefore, PV is equal to W. Now, the explanation of PV type work. There are two types of example. One is expansion of gas and another is contraction of gas. First, we can see decomposition of H2O2 under expansion of gas. Let hydrogen peroxide filled in a cylinder fitted with frictionless movable piston with certain mass as shown in figure. The reaction is like this. H2O2 decomposes into water and oxygen gas. 2H2O2, it gives 2H2O plus O2 gas. In this, oxygen gas produced as shown in figure B, that is after reaction. That gas pushes the piston upward, so mass raised in the surrounding and loses energy. If heat is not transferred, the loss of energy by the system is equal to work done by the system on the surrounding. This is PV expansion or pressure volume expansion of a gas. Now, the example number 2. In this example, we can see the reaction between ammonia gas and HCl gas. This is the compression of gas. Let ammonia gas and HCl gas placed in a cylinder fitted with frictionless movable piston with certain mass as shown in figure. First we can see reaction. Ammonia gas having formula NH3 plus HCl gas having formula named as hydrochloric acid gas. It gives ammonium chloride solid, that is NH4Cl. Okay. Volume of gas decreases as shown in figure number D, that is the piston decreases height of mass. Hence work is done by the surrounding on the system. If heat is not transferred, gain in energy by the system is equal to work done by the surrounding on the system. This is pressure volume type work due to compression of gas. Now heat. Heat is denoted by Q. Definition of heat. Heat is a form of energy by which the system exchanges energy with the surrounding. Sign conventions of W and Q as shown in figure. Minus W is the work is done by the system on the surrounding, plus W is the work is done on the system by the surrounding. Minus Q is the heat is released by the system to the surrounding, and plus Q is the heat is absorbed by the system from the surrounding. Okay, you can also as shown in figure, it is clear that. Okay, thank you.